Hey guys, Aaron here for the Love of Tech, and you are here today because you like YouTube videos, and I'm here today because I like YouTube videos, and that means we are a match made in YouTube heaven, because today you're making a video and I'm watching a video. No, I'm just being silly. I'm making the video and you're watching the video. Today we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna unbox the Samsung Galaxy Active Watch 2. Check it out, give you my first impressions of this thing, and go ahead and review the specs. So don't go anywhere because we're about to dive right in. So if you're anything like me, you bought the first Galaxy Active Watch. It was amazing. It was highly functional, extremely fluid. Tizen, or Tizen, if you will, is Samsung's own wearable technology. They didn't buy into the Wear OS, Android OS. They went and made their own operating system. First version, Gen 1, pretty clunky. Not really that great. Gen 2 was a little bit more legit, but they both had pretty good battery life. But the Samsung Galaxy Active Watch 1 didn't have the biggest battery, which meant I could maybe get a day of solid use out of it, maybe even get through the night. But by the time I woke up, it was in need of a charge. Not like my Apple Watch Series 4, and I'm heard the Series 5 is even better. When you charge it, it holds the charge, and it doesn't run out really quick. And this is what I'm wondering that I'm not going to be able to answer in this video. Is it worth it to upgrade to this? This was $299, and I'm here to tell you I don't remember the first Active Watch costing that much. It actually cost me 62 bucks after my Samsung credit. So thank you, Samsung, for that credit, because I basically got a watch close to 50 bucks, and I do appreciate it. Let's dive in. Let's take a look. Let's review the specs. First, we unbox. That was very anticlimactic, but we're unboxing. It's an unboxing video, so it's what we do. We unbox. I have the aluminum pink version. I don't know how I ended up with pink, but I did. And I bought it, and I had it in my cart, and I thought to myself, I can do pink. I can pull it off. So I kept it. And now we shall sheathe our unboxing knife, mainly because it's giant and ridiculous. Now, I went ahead on my Note 10 Plus, which its days are numbered because I traded it in for this. So any day now, they're gonna send me a return box and I gotta give it back. But until then, we're gonna continue to enjoy it. And let's just jump right into the specs. So we've got auto workout, lightweight design, health monitoring, sleep and stress monitoring, which tells me this is designed to wear it throughout the night. This is like Fitbit style battery, I'm hoping. Multi-day battery, so they're really pushing the multi-day battery now. Android and iOS compatible. So something I really like about Samsung, they do not limit you to using their products on the Android operating system. They want everybody to use it. And I think this watch might be a phenomenal alternative to an Apple Watch if you don't want to pay the money. So we do have Bluetooth 5.0, big thumbs up there. So we're at a 360 by 360 display, 1.2 inch Super AMOLED. So it's going to be really nice. So we've got 1.15 gigahertz processor. Then it comes with 4 gigs internal and 0.75 gigs of RAM. Very optimized. It has a very specific job, so it doesn't need a ton of RAM in order to do what it needs to do. Most of the business going on is going on the phone, and it's connecting to the watch, so it doesn't need to be that powerful. So battery size 240. I don't know if that means 240 milliamps. Removable, no. Typical use 3 to 4. I'm hoping that means 3 to 4 days. If that's the case, that's going to be phenomenal. And it does have built-in wireless charging, so that is good. And it comes with accelerometer, barometer, gyro sensor, HR sensor, light sensor, ECG sensor. So that's good. And it's stepping up and it's having the ECG. Again, I'm comparing to the Apple Watch Series 4 when they introduced this, but I feel like we've looked at everything we can as far as the specs are concerned of the device. Now I actually want to get into it and I want to get it paired up and I want to see what it looks and feels like. This is actually really nice. So this is the watch. It's pretty accurate as far as the size is concerned. And the goodies, if I had to guess, it's a very specific type of charger, like the other charger for the Samsung Watch, which my other active watch, I don't have to do a comparison to anymore. I gave it to my absolutely adorable stepson. Just gave it to him like, hey, do you want a smartwatch? And of course he was like, yes. He has a OnePlus 6T, so he was more than happy to go ahead and get that. This is it as far as our unboxing experience. We have a watch and we have a charger, and the charger, if I had to guess, just magnets on there just like that. It's a pretty strong magnet, so it's not going to fall off, so that's some good news. But go ahead and take a look at the actual watch here. If you can see, it's got all those sensors built in. It's got a nice little speaker on the side, and it's got a microphone right there, and maybe another microphone right up there. I don't know if you can see that or not. And it's got 2 buttons. The watch I'm currently rocking with my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra is the Louis Vuitton watch, which you know is expensive, close to $2,000. Even more because every watch strap costs like $150, $200. And then if you got the alligator straps, which I have a nice little collection of, those are like $400 a piece. And they say LV Louis Vuitton on them, which is why they're so expensive. But it's not the most functioning smartwatch out there, so I'm eager to put it back away. So I want to go ahead and get this started, and I want to enjoy and immerse myself in Samsung. We've got our new Samsung Buds Plus, which sound phenomenal. We have the phone S20 Ultra, and then we have now the watch, and I don't mind at all the pink watch. I will probably go to Best Buy and look for some more bands. As you can see, the bands are easy peasy to go ahead and take off just like that. If I had to guess, we have to hold the button and turn this little guy on somewhere, and there we go. All right, so let's go. And it immediately comes up and it says, hey, do you want to pair? And the answer, of course, is add now, easy peasy. So they're really mimicking the pairing up process as good as Apple. Sorry to keep comparing. They do it right. It comes right here. Just wanting to know, hey, do you want to go ahead and connect? The answer is yes, we want to connect. Tap to connect. Let's pair. Setting up your phone, apps to install, starting up. It's actually going fairly quick. Let's see. I'm really impressed at how quickly this is installing. While you're pairing, take a moment to learn about your watch. So let's go ahead and go through this. Your watch is the main screen. Swipe left for different widgets. Get the best heart rate, wear your watch about a finger width above your wrist, and make sure it's not too tight or loose. Watch paired. So there we go. Congrats, thank you. Active watch plugin, link, okay. We're gonna start fresh because that's usually the quickest way. Do not disturb is synced with your watch, so that's nice. Let's go ahead and just kind of take a little drive, if you will, so you can see exactly how this works. So swipe there, daily activity, swipe that way. Giving me a little tutorial of the back button, the home button, and how to swipe. Almost done. Okay, so this is it. So it wants me to put my palm on there to turn the watch off. So that way, if I'm in the movie theater or I'm somewhere else and I've got a notification going, I can just put my hand over it. If somebody's calling me, I can be like, boom, boom, we're done. Okay, so that's it. So that's it for the setup. We should be done. This thing, it looks amazing. This thing is super uber fluid. If I remember, look at that. I will definitely use this tomorrow morning at the gym. This thing's doing all sorts of stuff. There's even a little flashlight. So that's cool. So if I'm wearing it and I want to flick it on, I can get the flashlight going. This is a pretty cool watch with a lot of features. It's very feature packed. I want to experience it to its fullest. I don't mind at all having a pink watch. I think it looks good. I think that real men wear pink, and if you're a real man, you should wear a little bit of pink in your life. It doesn't even feel like pink. It's like a pink sand, right? It's not. I might even like it more if it was like a hot pink flamingo. I'll be honest. I like things that pop. This blends in, if anything. I'm really excited. Multi-day battery, so I think Samsung finally has gotten this watch right. All right, if you liked the video today, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. If you really liked the video, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified the next time my videos come out. Thanks for watching. Until next time, for the love of tech, namaste.